Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have this equation, which is modeling the total cost, y, that a company charges a customer to rent a truck for the day when they're driving the truck x miles. The total cost consists of a flat fee plus a charge per mile. And we're asked, when the equation is graphed in the xy plane, what does the y-intercept of the graph represent in terms of the model? So if we have y equals mx plus b, right? In this equation, we actually have b first, right? The x term is coming second. So 19.99 is our b. So we're asked, what is the meaning of 19.99? So ignoring the equation for a second, what does it mean for the y-intercept of any graph what does the y-intercept of any graph mean? Well, it's the value of y when x is equal to 0, right? Let's say this was our line. The y-intercept would be right here, and it would be the value of y, let's say -2, when x is equal to 0. So what does the value of y when x is equal to 0 mean for this problem? Well, that means it's the total cost y. So it's the total cost when x is equal to 0, when the truck has been driven 0 miles. So that might still not be super clear when we think about it in terms of this problem. What does the cost when you're driven 0 miles mean? Until we look at our answers and we see that a flat fee of $19.99, well, that would be the cost when you haven't driven it yet, right? Just to rent the truck, you have to pay $19.99 at first when you've driven 0 miles. Then after that, you have to pay more for driving the truck X miles. But you have a flat fee of $19.99 after 0 miles, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.